Hello, this is a video of my Craftsman LT1000 18 horsepower 42-inch cut lawn tractor with the 6-speed manual. Comes with the grass and leaf collector. Unit is in pristine condition. As you can see, it's immaculate, and it's got a relatively brand new battery. Was also just given a full tune-up: oil, air filter, spark plug, fresh gas, good sharp blades. It's nice and clean. Bagger works great for picking up the grass, and in the fall when you have leaves on the ground, huge difference with that. 18 horse Briggs IC engine, good big gas tank. And now I'll go ahead and start her up. Oh yeah, also has a brand new fuel filter and a fuel shutoff valve that I added, so at the end of the season you can go ahead and drain the gas from the carburetor so it's not sitting. Cup holder, all the convenient amenities. Now go ahead and start it up. On your dash you have your light switch, throttle, blade engagement, parking brakes right here when you put your foot on the brake pedal. Deck height adjust to where you want the thing to cut. Your speed selector, 6 in reverse. That's to engage the blades. On the key switch you have stop, you have the start position, and you also have the backup position. So when the blades are on, you have to turn the key back one position to the reverse safety position. Now I'll go ahead and put it in choke, start it up. Here we go. Up, put my foot on the brake. Runs like a champ. Throttle it down. Okay. Set it down a little too low. Right about there. It's good. Pick it up. Light switch. Try to engage the blades. Put it in third gear. Here we go. Lights are on. Purrs like a kitten. You can bring it down a little bit lower and bring it on up. This unit's ready to go. It's going to be 800, first come, first serve. Thank you for watching. Take care.